Reports are circulating on social media and in some news outlets that Zimbabwean Liberation War veteran and outspoken political figure Blessed Geza is dead. According to newszimbabwe.com, a reliable source within the country's security sector told its reporters that Geza has died while in South Africa. Blessed Runesu Bombshell Geza was long known for his vocal criticism of Zimbabwe's leadership, particularly President Emmerson Mnangagwa. A former member of the ruling ZANU-PF party, Geza was expelled in 2025 after publicly opposing the president and calling for his resignation. In recent years, Geza had become a controversial figure. He faced multiple legal charges, including allegations of undermining the authority of the president and incitement of public unrest, and he spent time in hiding as police sought to question him. He calls for nationwide protests and political change, made him a polarizing figure in Zimbabwe's tense political climate, with some supporters praising his fight against corruption and others criticizing his approach. At this stage, official confirmation from government or family sources has not been made public, and it's possible that further updates will clarify the situation.